Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you a new interesting method you can apply in solving a simultaneous equation of this nature. Let's put down here solution. I bring down the question here, 2x plus 3y equals 13. Let's mark this equation 1 and x plus y equals 1. Let's mark this equation 2. Here, we are going to start our workings with equation 1. From equation 1, 2x can also be expressed as x plus 3y can also be expressed as y plus y plus y equals 13. Here, from equation 1, we have that x plus y equals 1. Then in that note, we are going to pay x and y in this equation here. Now, we are going to have here that x plus y equals 1. Also, we have x plus y equals 1, and we're left with y. Then in that case, we are going to have here 1 plus y equals 13. Then we add 1 plus 1, that will give us 2 plus y equals 13. When we collect like terms, and we are going to have here that y equals 13. If we move 2 to the right hand side of the equation, it becomes minus 2, and y equals 13 minus 2. That gives us 11, and that is the value of y. Then to get the value of x, we are going to substitute 11 for y in equation 1. Recall equation 1 is given as 2x plus 3y equals 13. That is, wherever we see y, we substitute 11, and we are going to have it 2x plus 3 into 11 equals 13. And we have here 2x plus 3 times 11, that gives us 33 equals 13. Here, we collect like terms, and the equation becomes 2x equals 13 minus 33. When here, we have that 2x equals 13 minus 33, that gives us minus 20. Then to get x, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by 2. We divide here by 2, divide here by 2, and here 2 will eliminate 2, and x equals minus 20 divided by 2, that gives us minus 10. Therefore, x equals minus 10 and y equals 11. And these are the possible values of x and y that will satisfy this equation right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.